Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please allow us to present our research entitled Moderation Effect of International Ownership and Capital Intensity, Inventory Intensity, and Tax Avoidance. Introduce myself, Suci Rohimawati. The background of this research is a phenomenon in manufacturing companies on the IDX, namely allegation of tax evasion by PT Adaro Energi Tbk by carrying out transfer pricing, which were known from 2009 to 2017. PT Adaro Energi Tbk transferred some of the profits from coal in Indonesia to a network of companies overseas. This was done by PT Adaro Energi Tbk through one of its subsidiaries in Singapore, so that it could pay lower tax than it should pay in Indonesia, which is $125 million. The novelty of our research is the addition of a moderating variable, namely institutional ownership. There are two theories used in this research. The first, agency theory, is a theory that explains the relationship between shareholder or principal and manager or agent. Agency conflict between the two parties who mutually elevate interest will affect tax treatment. Manager who want high profit compensation increase, will shareholder want to reduce tax costs through low profits. The sample used is manufacturing companies listed on the IDX for the period 2016 to 2020. The main source of data collection comes from www.idx.com. The data analysis technique used multiple linear regression to test the effect of capital intensity and inventory intensity on tax avoidance, and for absolute value difference analysis was used to test the moderating effect of institutional ownership. In this figure, it can be seen that there are four hypotheses. The first hypothesis, capital intensity has a positive effect on tax avoidance. Second hypothesis, inventory intensity has a positive effect on tax avoidance. Third hypothesis, institutional ownership because the effect of capital intensity on tax avoidance. Fourth hypothesis, institutional ownership because the effect of inventory intensity on tax avoidance. So that we get the result from our research that capital intensity has no effect on tax avoidance and inventory intensity has no effect on tax avoidance. The moderating variable shows that institutional ownership is not able to moderate the effect of capital intensity on tax avoidance, and institutional ownership is unable to moderate the effect of inventory intensity on tax avoidance. So it can be concluded that the first hypothesis, which states that capital intensity has a positive effect on tax avoidance, is rejected. The second hypothesis, which states that inventory intensity has a positive effect on tax avoidance, is rejected. The third hypothesis, which states that institutional ownership entrains the effect of capital intensity on tax avoidance, is rejected. The fourth hypothesis, which states that institutional ownership can attenuate the effect of inventory intensity on tax avoidance, is rejected. Some suggestions from us for further research, namely conducting research by increasing the research period so that the research ratios are better. Further research can examine using other sectors such as the property sector and other sectors listed on the IDX, and can add other variables such as company size, transfer pricing, and leverage. That's the presentation that we can convey. More or less, we apologize. Regards.